Amber Oud Rouge by Al Haramain is marketed as an amber floral and was launched in 2019. And as you can tell by the notes, it's got a very similar profile to BR 540. It comes in a plastic box lined with velvet-like material, and there are metal embellishments on both. I think you might be paying for that though, although the fragrance is not unreasonably priced. This is a Middle Eastern brand, but the DNA here is more French, like MFK. I don't like heavy bottles, but this looks okay, and I plan to use the box to hold bits and bobs in my office. I would say that Al Haramain is worth it. I think it's the closest smelling at a reasonable price point. Amber Oud Rouge is not as powerful as BR 540, but I wouldn't say it doesn't perform. Al Haramain is generally good at that sort of thing. The scent itself seems sharper than BR 540 to me, and perhaps also earthier and not as sweet. Actually, this is more of a copy of the Extrait version, I feel. The bottle bears a stronger resemblance to the Extrait de Parfum as well.